Hello and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. This episode we're going international. Yes, that's right. I'm crossing the border and going into Canada. I'm having a meet up with Danoh from Danoh's Toolbox, and we're gonna do a small tool exchange. So sit back, relax, and I'll show you what I got. So we went and visited Danoh from Danoh's Toolbox, and we liberated this gray Bonney tool chest. We had our international meetup, so finally made it back. So I'm finally back here in the States. Just got home not that long ago. Want to give you a quick showing of what I got. Still don't have my shop yet, so but I wanted to show off the box. So this is a good looking box, almost like vintage new old stock. So folds down like this, and you've got these drawers right here. So Danoh, this is amazing. You outdid yourself. Worth a trip to Canada just to go hang out with you. Coming back with this box, priceless. So, what else we got from Canada? We got some, he liberated and donated some wrenches to the cause. We did a kind of a tool exchange. Made in Canada gray. Got another gray. A Williams super wrench. Here's a Velocek tappet that needs to be fixed. It's been modified, but it's a Velocek, so that's cool. We got ourselves another Canada gray in metric, and one last Canadian gray. He found me one of the mini Barcalos. Cool. I'm here in Pueblo, so it's hot and it's sunny out. So I'm not sure how well you can see with the sun, but this is a Barcalo Buffalo auto wrench. We got a Williams S wrench. Has a bit of been repaired there once, but that's pretty cool. We have this Williams refrigeration wrench. Cool. Got this mini Stilson. This is Walworth Stilson 6-inch. Cool. Got this little ratchety wrench, but it's Canadian. So I thought that was cool. I'm not sure the brand of these pliers, but they look pretty cool. They kind of got that vintage black in there. Can't really see too well. Another thing he found was this Menasty Tire and Auto Company little Buick Hudson Chevrolet giveaway wrench. That was cool, and it came from Manistee, Michigan. So we got ourselves a vintage Husky. Here is, obviously needed to get a her brand. And I don't know how well you can see that, but it's a Canadian Proto. A Canadian Proto, which is cool. I also got this Mastercraft. Which is Canadian made. Another Canadian Mastercraft. Here there's a Hope number 6. This little, not sure, it might be a Proto. Nothing marked other than those numbers. And the sun's glaring just right, I can't really see, so hopefully I'm getting this in the shot. And we've got a stubby Corsair. So I got another Corsair screwdriver in the collection in the shed. So as soon as I find that, we'll take a look at them. We got this Rapid ratchet screwdriver. And finally, I can't really see through the camera, but it's Canada Stanley. So we got a Canadian Stanley that will pretty cool. So here's our Canadian tool. Well, that was a really cool meetup with Danoh there in Canada. I had a good time. Will definitely go back and see Danoh when I get a chance. Hopefully he can find me some more gray Bonney and get me caught up on some gray tools. But I really had a good time. So check out his channel, and I'll leave links to that. And probably right there. Otherwise, like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and as always, stay safe and check you later.